WooCommerce Dropshipping Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to WooCommerce and related resources are included in the description below. WooCommerce is a powerful open-source plugin for WordPress that transforms any website into a fully functional e-commerce store. Designed for flexibility and customizability, WooCommerce has become a go-to platform for dropshippers who want complete control over their store's look and functionality without paying monthly fees associated with hosted solutions. A standout feature of WooCommerce is its seamless integration with WordPress, allowing you to tap into the world's largest CMS ecosystem for unlimited design options and thousands of plugins. This means you can add essential dropshipping tools like automated order forwarding, real-time inventory syncing, and product importers directly through third-party extensions such as WooDropship, AliDropship, or others. Another plus is that WooCommerce offers robust SEO capabilities thanks to WordPress's strong focus on content creation and optimization. This can be invaluable for driving organic traffic to your store. When it comes to strengths, WooCommerce excels at customization. You're not locked into any preset design or functionality. You can tweak almost every aspect of your store, from how products are displayed to which payment gateways you accept. Many entrepreneurs appreciate the one-time or minimal plugin costs rather than ongoing subscription fees. Additionally, the control over your data is a major plus. Because WooCommerce is self-hosted, you own all content and customer information, which is critical for long-term brand growth. The community support is also massive, with forums, tutorials, and dedicated WordPress professionals ready to help if you get stuck. However, there are some weaknesses to keep in mind. Setting up a WooCommerce dropshipping store can be more time-consuming, as you'll need to handle web hosting, SSL, and site maintenance. While many WordPress hosts make this easier, it's not as turnkey as a fully hosted solution. Managing multiple plugins for shipping, product sync, and security can become complex, and site performance may suffer if not optimized properly. Finally, ensuring seamless compatibility among various plugins may require extra testing and technical expertise. Still, for those willing to invest the effort, WooCommerce's flexibility and cost savings often outweigh these challenges. Overall, WooCommerce is an excellent choice for dropshippers seeking full creative freedom, robust SEO features, and complete ownership of their online store. If you're comfortable with a bit more hands-on management and want to avoid high monthly fees, WooCommerce remains a top contender for building a successful dropshipping business.